Okay, what's this channel about? Well, my friends, Nugget Shooter Journals is my story along with people that go with me and my other half Tammy and even our dogs Bruno, Dixie and the rest of the crew. And we travel around. I'm a nugget hunter by trade and I've been doing it about 27 years and gotten pretty darn good at it over that amount of time. And I'm going to share information, education, how to use your machines. We're going to share exploration of mines, of Arizona, of the great Southwest, and every place else we go. This is just a channel for you to tag along with us and join us in our adventures. It's going to be a lot of fun, and please subscribe and hit that bell and you won't have to miss any of it. And my mission, I guess, is to help other people because I've been so successful. I think it's time to give back a little bit. And while I'm doing that, we're going to share our travels with you and everything else that we do. So, I'll see you on the next video.